Bye.
Landlording for fun and profit, Florida style. First you remove the verticals, then you remove the clips. Hey, Patty, he's going in. That's all the deeper it goes.
Why's that?
2x4.
No.
Okay, so we can use the existing clips to put the new mini blinds up. Vertical blind, thank you. Snap in. I snapped it in.
Is that one?
Yeah. First one in. Now this is a fine-tune adjustment you're doing here?
Yeah, that's what that is.
So you've got new vertical blinds to hang up? How many do we have to cut?
All of them.
It's always nice to have fresh coffee brewing near the razor knife.
Why not?
No, I agree. You don't have to. Like a fine oiled machine. Now, why do some have clips and some not have clips?
I'm going in the middle of the door where I think they tend to go like this.
High traffic.
Yeah.
Got it. And it works perfectly. Landlording for fun and profit, Florida style. Fade to black.